My name is Grace Patogbe. I'm the Chief Financial Officer for NISRAL PLC. And one of the reasons why I wanted to participate in the tax fundamentals of taxation training was to be able to keep abreast of new developments in tax laws. By virtue of my function as a CFO, I have to be on top of tax issues to be able to identify opportunities for tax planning for my organization, and also make sure that my organization is in compliance with all relevant tax regulations. Joining the tax training, I can say that I've been able to enhance my tax knowledge. I've identified areas where my organization needs to improve on certain aspects of its tax activities, and I am recommending this training to other people who want to ensure that their organization is in compliance with all relevant tax regulations. Thank you.